Introducing the UMOBILE project. Sometimes, somewhere your smartphone says, no service. This happens when communication channels are heavily congested or destroyed, also in an urban area, as this story tells, or simply where there are no cellular towers. The example in this story is a fire in house, that is an incident with a moderate impact. When a bigger incident hits an urban area, users see no service on their smartphones, maybe communication channels are heavily congested. A disaster may be natural, or person-made. The area may also be a remote countryside, with no cellular network at all. People in the area try to contact authorities, but there is no service. Some persons have the UMOBILE app on their smartphones. They can write a distress message about the emergency, to be shared with the Civil Protection Authority. The UMOBILE app stores the message until a communication opportunity is available. Other citizens passing by, maybe a runner, a biker, a driver, receive the message and relay it towards the Civil Protection Authority. Other carriers can participate to collect and relay messages towards the Civil Protection Authority. UAV, unmanned aerial vehicles, sometimes called drones, can be expressly used for the purpose. Finally, the message reaches the Civil Protection Authority. The Civil Protection Authority prepares the emergency instructions. Generally, these are services to which the population should access in the affected area, with maps, videos, etc. The Civil Protection Authority instructs the First Response Unit to move to the affected area. The First Response Unit sets up a UMOBILE hotspot which the service, with the emergency instructions, is migrated to. Possibly carried by a UAV, the emergency service could be migrated to a UMOBILE hotspot, already active in the affected area. Or when the First Response Unit is already arrived there, with its UMOBILE hotspot. First Response Unit and civilian population access the service with emergency instructions, and get safe.